The ability for all people to make sense of the world, to own their stories and be creatively expressive on their own terms, is a key element of justice, equity, and a healthy existence. It's core to our American ethos that we profess. None of the things that we aspire to as a nation of opportunity and justice is possible without integrating arts, culture, and design into how we do our work. We say we want to eliminate poverty, we want to reduce injustice, all these things. A lot of that requires paradigm shift. It requires us to think fundamentally differently about some basic things. And what is true is that and there's science behind this, in order for people to be available to paradigm shift, you have to touch them head, heart, and hand. And I would have students ask me, where can I get a job doing this, right? And I would often say, it's better than it was 20 years ago. However, you may have to make up a job. You may have to make it up, or you may have to reinterpret the opportunity. And the perfect opportunity may not reveal itself in the way that you thought it would show up, but this ability to see a pathway to do the work that you feel you're supposed to be doing in somebody else's job description is a real important skill to cultivate.